If you're actively trading perps on Hyperliquid, doing yield on Panda, or if you are farming RWS yields from Ondo, you might want to watch this video. So in this video, we're going to give you updates for airdrop points and another potential airdrop that we might think is interesting only if you tune in at the end of this video. So let's just get into it. First of all, Ondo just snapshot their Ondo points program, and this points program is dedicated for USDY, OUSG, Flux, or if you have ever did some Galaxy Quest in the past for Ondo, you might be eligible for these points. You can claim up to 500 USDC and some raffle tickets that will be raffled for some additional rewards here if you are holding USDY or USG and did some Galaxy Quest. So the full claim instructions will be right here on their tweet. Please check for eligibility on their website here, or you can actually find these links on our airdrop dedicated letter that we published every Thursday or Friday this week. Because it's a special week, there's one day off on Monday, so we're postponing the letter until today. So yeah, you can access our letter on todaydefi.com for our latest newsletters. And yeah, you can get the link on our airdrop dedicated letter. Yeah, this is just the beginning. Some campaigns remain open for Ondo. If you want for future updates on any airdrop points, you can always subscribe to our letter. It's completely free. If you want a more premium and more dedicated guide for farming or airdrops farming, you can always subscribe for less than $1 a day. And yeah, that's for Ondo. So congratulations for all of you who have been holding it and eligible for the rewards. And there has been a launch last week for SushiSwap. They just launched their Hyperliquid powered perps with sushi points accruing automatically on every trade. So if you have been trading on Hyperliquid, this might be another option. It's also a HIB3 deployer, but on this case, there will be, early trader season multiplier is still live right now. There is a trading competition ongoing for SushiSwap, but if you're not so competitive on trading, you can still earn if you are hedging your spot Bitcoin or any other coins here. They listed quite a lot of markets. Everything tradable on Hyperliquid is also tradable on SushiSwap perps. And this might be interesting for some of you who are very active in trading perps. That's for SushiSwap. And for Pendle, some of you might notice that Pendle incentivized some limit orders on YT trades here. And you can get up to 100% APY based on Pendle rewards via the new algorithmic incentive module, which is 5K USD per pool. That's quite a lot considering the size of sum of pool that is like a little small, but this is like pure on-chain accrual, so there's no separate points tracker needed. You just need to do limit orders in their specific range here. So every pool will have it's quite clear here, so you will be incentivized and be eligible for Pendle rewards. If you are, for example, here, you are trading on MHyperBTC, which is Midas HyperBTC Vault here. If you are putting your limit orders between this range, you will be eligible for these rewards. And you can actually get all of this information if you go to the Pendle immediately, only on app.pendle.finance. Don't get that link wrong. And another claim here for Superform, if you have been reading our letter, you might be aware that we showed some Superform vaults here, and the points program that has been ongoing. Right now, it's already season 4, and season 3 up rewards are now claimable at this links. You can just log in with your wallet and see if you are eligible for it. So even for users who withdraw after the main airdrop, season 1 or season 2, you are still receiving rewards based on prior activity on their vaults here. So it's worth checking even if you think you missed it. And yeah, that's for the airdrop update. So there is a very interesting protocol that just launched yesterday. It's very fresh. They just launched their mainnet after their private access phase ended. So it's called Saturn. So Saturn here is the first major app built on Michael Saylor's strategy STRC credit. So it's combining STRC dividends plus tokenized US treasuries for around 11% APY here. But on their dashboard, it's around 14% right now. It's still very fresh. It just went live yesterday with, right now it's already around 40 million in combined TVL on USDAT, which is their stablecoin backed by USDC, and also SUSDAT, which will be invested on STRC, and you'll be getting, and the yield will be sourcing from STRC dividends or tokenized US treasuries. And there are some cool opportunities if you are interested on getting the points instead of the yield. You can always go to their strategies page over here, see what you can do, see what strategy that is eligible for you to get points here. For this example here, you can deposit on Curve LP for USDAT and USDC LP for 20x points. The yield might not be too good right now, but yeah, if you are more focused on getting the points, then this might be a better alternative here. And yeah, you can even get like some points for swapping USDC to USDAT. So I think the risk premium here for USDAT is not that high since it's backed by USDC. USDC, it's a quite trusted and proven stablecoin for now. And yeah, you can stake it for the 14% yield currently on top of points. Or if you don't want to stake it, you can just do LP on Curve here for 20x points. So it's very interesting, but some risk apply. And if you don't understand what is STRC, what's the yield backing it, how does it make money, how can you make money from it, you can always visit our website at todayindefi.com. Go to our guide section and click through the what is STRC, and you will get the complete information on what it is, the mechanism about it, and also the risk, because we can't deny that on-chain farming it carries some risk, and if you're not aware of the risk, you might be over allocating your assets into only one pool without being aware of the risk, and that might affect your portfolio performance if something bad goes on. So none of these farms are 100% risk-free. That's what we're always showing airdrop letters. We always give a notice at the bottom of each narrative that what risk you should actually pay attention to. So I think that's it for this week's airdrop, and I'll see you in the next one.